body simulation. So what I'm gonna just do is get a plane, scale that up, and then get like, I don't know, a sphere, and then bring that up. Hit no, not modifiers. Go to physics, which is this one right here, and then rigid body, passive. And then this one, just hit rigid body, and then you see it falls. But if you see that, it looks pretty slow. And if I go to I forgot where it is, but it's like scene, and then once I find it, yeah, scene, I go down and then I go to rigid body world. I can speed this up, and it goes a lot faster. You see? But how I made that one video, I hit Shift D, then rotated this, and then did that for every single one. And then I made a material that made this part right here invisible, and I made a ton of spheres, and it was kind of crazy. And that's basics of rigid body simulations.